Many people believe it takes thousands of dollars for a down payment to purchase a home in Anne Arundel County. But did you know there are loan programs and grants available to help buyers just like you? Some programs only require 3% down and others like 3.5% down. And in certain areas, you may qualify for no down payment at all. Hi, I'm Bonnie Fleshman at Douglas Realty. If you've been putting off buying a home because you think it's out of reach, it's time to explore your options. There are some more opportunities available than you might realize. Don't stay stuck in the rental cycle and keep dreaming about homeownership because you're unaware of the resources available to you. Call us and we'll guide you through the entire process step by step. We'll also connect you with a trusted local lender who can help you find the best financing options for your situation. I'm Bonnie Fleshman with Douglas Realty. We're here to support you every step of the way. For the best move of your life, give me a call.